Hello everyone, and welcome to Dolly's Food Fusion, the cooking show where my husband and I attempt to recreate his family recipes.
Many of you know my mom's cooking from our previous videos. Now that we both are living in America and we really miss good Indian home cooking, we have decided to try it ourselves.
This is part 2 of our 5-part Durga Puja special. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell because we'll be releasing wonderful Kolkata street food recipes all week, so you don't want to miss out. Today we'll be making Ghugni, a delightfully tasty street food made with matur dal or yellow peas, which you and your kids will absolutely love. So what are we waiting for? Let's get cooking! So we're going to start with our ingredients here. Here we have 2 cups of matur dal or yellow peas soaked in water overnight. We also have 2 medium-sized potatoes, 3 small finely chopped onions, 1 medium-sized chopped tomato, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/2 teaspoon of rock salt, and 4 sliced green chilies. So we're also going to be making a special Ghugni masala for this recipe by dry roasting some spices and blending them together. It can be used with a variety of chaats, so it doesn't have to be specific to Ghugni, but we have an additional 4 ingredients here for that as well. We're going to do 12 dried red chilies and 2 tablespoons each of cumin seeds, fennel seeds, and coriander seeds.
Dry roasting whole spices is extremely easy. All you need to do is take a pan and heat it at low-medium and add your spices. So let's start. The pan is hot now, so let's add our ingredients. We start with dried red chilies. Then we add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. Now we roast this for a couple of minutes. Looks like they're roasted now. We're gonna take them off the heat. Once it cools down, we're gonna grind them in our blender. Make sure it's coarsely grinded. It's time to boil our dal and our potatoes. Add them both to a pot with some water. Now we are going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Boil them till they're soft but not breaking apart. When you're done boiling, make sure to keep the water. We'll be using it later.
Now we're moving on to making our gravy for the Ghugni. Start with heating a kadai to medium heat and adding a little bit of oil. When your oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now add your 3 small chopped onions. Fry this until your onions turn lightly golden. Now add your tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and your 4 sliced green chilies, and fry this for about 2 minutes. Now add your 1 medium chopped tomato, with a little bit of salt to help them soften. Fry this until the tomatoes become soft. Now we're going to add our masalas. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, one-half teaspoon of cumin powder, one-half teaspoon of rock salt, and just a 1/2 teaspoon of sugar to round out those flavors. Fry this until the raw smell of the spices goes away. Now it's time to add our boiled potatoes. Crush them in your hand as you add them. We're also going to add our boiled matur dal or yellow peas here. In addition to the water that you boiled the dal in. Give your mixture a taste here, and if you don't think it has enough salt, you can add additional salt here as well. Cook this on medium-high flame until you reach your desired consistency. Now we're going to turn off the flame and add 1 teaspoon of our Ghugni masala. And we're done. Now on to our garnishing. So we have all of our garnishes here. You can use any or all of them if you like. We're going to start this off by adding a bit of our Ghugni masala. Then add a little bit of rock salt. Now just sprinkle a little bit of sliced green chilies. Then we're going to sprinkle some chopped red onions. Now we're going to take a few spoonfuls of tamarind water. Then you can add fresh or roasted coconut. And a little bit of chopped coriander leaves. And finally, we're going to top it off with a nice squeeze of lime. And there you have it. Our Ghugni is finally complete.